Hall of Famers. The 85 rider is Rod Becker, and Becker is Brian.